Right guys, I'm off to Yorkshire Dales on my bike with the lads. It's going to be fun. It's going to be interesting. So I'm excited, I'm all packed up. I don't know, I might have forgot something, I don't even know. But yeah, I'll try and record as much as I can. It's a 3-day trip, well 4 days, 3 nights. So yeah, better get going because I've got to meet up with all of them. I don't know whereabouts we're going. Someone's done a route, but I don't actually know where we're off to. So it's going to be interesting, it's going to be fun. Alright guys, peace out. Oh yeah. Come on. Just us.
How are you doing, alright?
Yeah, good man. How are you?
Not too bad.
Good seeing it.
I was surprised I was the first one here.
I know, I thought John was here. Here we are with the boys. Nice. Amazing. 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 Shit.
The best.
Shit.
The best.
Shit. Where are we off to, Ant? Where are we off to? We're off to North. Yeah, we'll see. Hey Ant. Ant, can you give me a wave, please? Hey Siri, where are we? Where are we? Littleborough. That's where we are. Littleborough. Yeah. This is a picture perfect, this, isn't it? Sheep, sheep. So are we not in Burnley anymore? Oh yeah. This view's lovely. Lovely. How you might know this?
Not a cattle grid, isn't it? Just a little pit stop. So many nice views over here though. Yorkshire's lovely. Hey Sean. How many hours have we done, Ant? 4 hours? 4 hours of riding.
4 hours of riding. Ooh. Stretching the old legs. It's been a alright run, hasn't it? Well, not too far now, are we, Ant? Look at that. Hey, is it good off-roading over there? Go on then, John. Push him. Don't push your fairing in. Is this a test run? This is a test run area, isn't it? Yeah, go this way. No, I'm just going to do this way. Go fast! Go fast! Anyone need to fill up?
Sorry?
Anyone need to fill up?
I think we better ride, haven't we?
Yeah. Oh, it's busy in there though. I don't know. Yeah, true. No, we'll wait. If you got some left, I'll probably have. Whoa, it's like a matlock, isn't it? Oh yeah. Copy. very good, very nice. Oh. Out of the way. Beast.
Diesel.
Yeah.
Must be a full line now. I thought it was
In use.
just a train.
Right, boys and girls. Sean's here, a little bitch. No, oh, I'm just gonna let you say it. Go on, Sean. Tell us, where are we? Go on.
We're at the Rebel Head Viaduct.
Yeah, boy. Do what I save a life. Yeah, we're not far. How far are we off now?
About 20 miles.
20 miles. And how many miles have we done?
Not many at all, have we?
We've only done 50 miles.
7 miles.
Coming out of camera. No, I mean the helicopter now, jumping on it. And if you do, I do then. Is this it? Yeah. Oh my God, you're right. We're on a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Car. On arrival. Are you right?
You been here before?
No.
I have some other lads that come on bike.
6 of us.
6 of you, yeah? It's £10 each for camping.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. At the front, got your toilet and showers outside out.
Okay.
Alright.
Right. Yeah, that's great.
So you've got really, it's all yours tonight. Let's be coast to coast. Cool.
No problem.
Yeah.
Lovely views.
We just come from Stoke.
Alright.
So we just come up from Stoke. And then tomorrow we're heading over to Wicklow.
Oh, yeah. So you sort of like doing coast to coast then?
Well,
There we are. Thank you.
come up.
Right.
Where did we come up to? Can't remember. What, everywhere? Yeah. Well, we haven't done the motorway.
Oh shit.
Come on, between.
You alright, Joyce? It's good for us on the grass.
They say on the gravel. You won't go there, it's going to end up falling over. Yeah, that's what I was trying to
Just drag it down there. Go on the pitch.
You go, John? Well, let's go pitch up then. Let's go find somewhere. Yeah, before we put on bikes there. Yeah. You couldn't put it down on the stand.
What are you thinking then, big boy? Dead left corner. Not too far away, but you don't want to go in the way of the bogs, do you? Yeah, we'll go there. Yeah, go here. Don't go too close to the thing. Alright, boys and girls, we're at the fucking campsite. Got a little pasta on the go. What have you got on burgers? Big Sean, he's got some pasta. You ain't got pasta, you got bloody burgers. Don't put that there. Come on, man.
I'm gonna put it the other side.
Look at his little table.
What a bacon?
Nobby's asleep. He's waiting for something tonight. And then this geezer. Don't know what you're cooking.
I think I might be having burgers.
Burgers what? Jesus Christ. Any leftover pasta you can have some. Where are we at? What farm is this called? Do you remember?
Nunnock, I think.
Numnock. Nunnock or Numnock? One or two. Numnock. It's bloody beautiful. £10 each. £20 for a good night.
Good.
What? Mate, you've even got your olive oil. Let's see this.
Olive oil. It's a bit windy there, right?
I know I was going to say it's good everywhere.
It's a bit windy.
Bad boys. I think that's for everyone else, isn't it? Yours look nearly done, doesn't it?
Getting there.
Boy.
Oh, I know what I've brought with me.
Lightweight.
Me bloody fish. I bring it every year, never eat it. I've got a little tin of fish, sit here in the pan, fish.
He's on about that fucking Swedish one, that really stinky one.
I bought it when we
Sardines.
last 3 times I bought it and I've never.
Fermented stuff.
Yeah,
Fermented.
What do you think of?
Yeah.